Bow! Oh goodness. I should probably get down before she kills me. Aiden! Ouch. Put your... No, let's show everybody your hair that I did. Okay, or put your hat on, that's fine too.
Are you like stopping and going?
No, I'm taking a 6-hour video. Yes. Are you comfortable? Aiden, say bye-bye. Hey, Aiden, say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Bye.